mo ba ay pimples katulad nito, nito, at nito? Well, this video is perfect for you! Guys, it's Lester and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to make a DIY egg and coffee face mask. So this face mask or DIY face mask is very easy to make and affordable. So can you believe it? I only spent 10 pesos for this DIY face mask. I spent like around 7 pesos for the egg and 3 pesos for the instant coffee. Before we proceed to the video, I am not a professional skin expert or a dermatologist to be exact. So kung ano ipapakita ko sa inyo is like, it's only based on my research. Kung ano mga na-search ko through online. So nag-search ako through online kung ano mga ingredients like that will help on my skin condition because right now I'm having a breakout. Like nagsilabasan yung mga pimples ko na oh my gosh, yung mga sumpa lumalabas. Plus, I eat peanuts the other day and every time I eat peanuts, it is already expected na magkaka-breakout ako. Like, I don't know why, like peanuts, like... So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that you will need is a bowl. So preferably a plastic bowl. Like, I don't know why, but they say that if you're gonna use a metal bowl or like anything that metal, like it will react and like the effect of the products that you will apply on your face. Like, yeah. So we're gonna need a plastic bowl and we're also gonna need a brush. So it is preferable to use the like spatula, like the actual like skincare brush or like yung pang skincare talaga, but I don't have it right now because yeah, I don't have it. So I'm just gonna use a makeup brush. Just be careful not to touch the metal part in here because as what I said, like metal reacts to the products and it will degrade the effects. So you're also gonna need a 1 whole egg like this, like 1 whole egg, and instant coffee, like black coffee, not yung 3-in-1 coffee, like hindi yung 3-in-1 but black coffee, black coffee, black coffee. So egg has a lot of benefits to our skin. So the egg white helps tightens the skin and absorb excess oil from the skin. It also contains vitamins and minerals and can benefit the skin's overall appearance. The egg white is also beneficial for those who have acne-prone skin because, as what I said, it absorbs the excess oil on our skin, which usually causes for the clogging of pores, which then leads to having acne. So the coffee has an antioxidant properties which is perfect for anti-aging and sun damage repair. Caffeine in the coffee also helps increase blood flow and helps promote cell turnover that helps brightens the skin. That's why coffee is commonly used to treat dark circles. So egg and coffee is really a perfect combo for our face mask in treating our acne and like dark circles and uneven skin tones because it has a lot of benefits to our skin and yeah, it's so cheap and because coffee and egg, you can find it on your kitchen and if you don't have it on your kitchen, you can simply buy it at the store or sari-sari store near you. Like it's so cheap because I only bought this egg for 7 pesos and this coffee for 3 pesos. So all in all, I spent 10 pesos for this face mask. And yeah, so like, aminin natin, hindi tayong lahat nakaka-afford na bumili ng mamahaling face mask sa Watsons because yeah, it's so expensive talaga. Like, I can't even afford to buy a face mask. Like, if ever mag-buy mga ganitong face mask, like, I only buy face mask like once or twice a month because yeah, it's so expensive for me because I am not that rich. Even though you have the money to buy a face mask, rin ganun kadali ang bumili ng face mask because we have this ECQ or like quarantine going on and hindi ganun kadali ang pumunta ng mga mall para bumili ng face mask. So this face mask is really perfect for everyone and yeah, so let's get started. First thing that you will do is to wash your face. So you will use whatever soap you want, or like kung ano mang sabon na ginagamit mo ngayon, so you can use it to wash your face. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wash my face, then I'll be right back. So I'm back. So I just finished washing my face, and yes, my face is now clean. So we can now proceed to the next step. So before proceeding in applying the coffee and the egg, I like to take a bowl and just place a warm water and use a towel or anything na cloth. Dump mo lang siya sa mukha mo so that your pores will open and it will absorb the product much easier. So like parang ganito, like now that our egg and coffee is thoroughly mixed, let us now apply it on our face. So I'm just gonna take a mirror and like apply it all over my face, like ang bango niya, besh. Like especially me because I am a coffee lover, like it smells so good. Pumasok siya sa ilong ko. So like, just apply it on your face. At isa pa, ang lamig niya sa mukha. Like, it's so soothing. Ang lamig niya. Like, like tip lang, be careful not to put it close to your nose. Like, what happened to me? Like, pumasok na siya sa ilong ko. So now that our face is partly dry, let's apply the second layer. So after 15 minutes, you will start to feel that your face is like so tight and like para kang nagpa-botox sa yung buong mukha. Like you can't even move your face and make a facial expression. Like it's so tight and like it starts to crack. Like it starts to have a crack. So yeah, so after your face is fully dry, then you're just gonna rinse it off with a clean water. So I'm just gonna rinse it off, then I'll be back. So I'm back and I just washed my face, and right after I washed it, like my skin feels so soft, like walang halong kakemehan, like it's so soft talaga, like oh my gosh, like, and I can also see that my face naglighten siya like a little bit lang, like naglighten siya ng konti, but I can really see the difference, like from before I use it and now, like I can really see a difference, like, and like when I touched my face, like it's so soft. I'll continue doing this face mask, like egg and face mask, then after a week I will like upload a video regarding if it's effective on treating my pimples and acne. So yeah, so I will post an updated video in the future after a week to see if it's really effective or not. So that is it for today's video, guys, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe down below, and please click the notification bell to keep you notified whenever I post something new on my YouTube channel. So that is it for today, guys. Bye!